Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so well. Today let me share with you a simple and a delicious chicken sauce recipe. This sauce can be eaten with some rice, potatoes, banku, anything you can name it. Let's get started.
In a pan, I have in some washed chicken. This is a full chicken I'm using.
I also have some onions, rosemary, that's the dry one, my blended garlic and ginger, all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, nutmeg, a frozen tomatoes, and some pepper. The green ones are not too hot, that's why I'm using a lot of pepper in this recipe. You can omit the green ones if you don't want too much pepper in your sauce. So let's get right into it. So I have my pot already on fire, so I'll add in my blended garlic and ginger, some chicken spices, dried rosemary, some chopped onions for flavor, a salty taste, and just a little bit of water. Stir and cover this for at least 5 minutes to simmer very well. After 5 minutes of steaming our chicken, I'm going to stir this and cook for additional 5 minutes until all the blood or the red things you see on your chicken has finally disappeared. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. After extra 5 minutes of cooking this chicken, it has really cooked very well and it has released a lot of juices. That means it's ready and ready to be fried. So in a pot, I'll add in some cooking oil and I'll drop in my chicken. Make sure your oil is very hot before you drop in your chicken. So we're going to fry this chicken until everything turns into golden brown. So this is the right consistency I'm looking for, a golden brown color. Just look at how nice this chicken has fried beautifully. I'm going to set this aside and I'm using the same oil. I'm not going to change the pot because the chicken and the rosemary has given the oil a very nice smell and I don't want to waste that at all. Next, I'll add in my sliced onions. To that, I'll add in my blended pepper and some onions as well. Cook this on a medium heat for at least 5 minutes. Moving forward, I'll add in my tomatoes. To that, I'll add some of my chicken stock to it. Give it a quick stir and let it cook for at least 10 minutes on a medium heat. Adding in chicken stocks to your stew is something else. It's another level. If you haven't tried something like this, please do, because it really helps the stew to taste really good. After 10 minutes of cooking this stew, just look at how the oil has settled on top beautifully. I'll stir this and add in the rest of my spices. I'm adding in some stew spices, curry powder, nutmeg, a salty taste, and some cinnamon powder. So I'll give it a quick stir and cook this for additional 2 minutes on a low heat. Then I'll add in my chicken. Just look at how nice the stew is separating from the oil. That means our stew is ready. So I'll add in my chicken and leave this to cook or simmer very well for extra 2 minutes for the stew to infuse in my chicken very well. Thank you family for watching this video to this point. I love you guys, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want this video, give me a thumbs up and click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified and be part of this foodie team. And please, your comments are always welcome on this channel. Comment down below and let me know which country you're watching me from. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.